Adani Group stocks have been on a roll ever since the Supreme Court of India reserved its judgment on November 27 in the Hindenburg Group case. In just 5 sessions, shares of the Gautam Adani-led group companies have zoomed between 23 and 44% on the bourses as against an up move of 5% in the benchmark Sensex index. This has led to an increment of nearly 2 trillion rupees in the group's market capitalization, which now stands at 13 trillion rupees. With this, Gautam Adani has added $5.6 billion to his net worth in a week and now ranks at the 20th position on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. Shares of Adani Group had tumbled up to 82% within weeks of the release of a report by Hindenburg Group, a US-based short seller which had launched a scathing attack on the group, accusing the conglomerate of long-running stock manipulation and accounting fraud. Last week, however, the Supreme Court reserved its order in the case, while the Securities and Exchange Board of India said it won't seek additional time to complete the probe. So, with the group clearing most of the regulatory and legal hurdles, is it safe to assume that the worst is over for the stocks?
Earlier corrections which was done in the stocks were overdone, and it is our opinion that it has kind of bottomed out. But until the final judgment of the SC has come in, there would be some risk.
Fundamentally too, analysts believe the group's businesses look strong.
Most businesses in most segments feature market leadership. Of course, a closer look at the businesses individually could highlight certain weaknesses and challenges that are very specific to the particular business, but that is like the case that could be with any other company as well. The idea is that the group's companies can now be assessed from a pure analytical standpoint without worrying about the contingent regulatory adversity overhang that has been lingering for the longest time now.
Against this backdrop, what are the key levels for the group stocks? As per technical charts, most group stocks are eyeing double-digit upside led by Adani Energy and Adani Green with 16% upswing in the offing each. Analysts expect Adani Group to regain fundraising capabilities and revisit stalled projects as concerns regarding corporate governance are being addressed. However, this suggests investors book profit in the stocks prior to the final judgment day to avoid any volatility. Today, on 6th December, the Reserve Bank of India will begin its 3-day monetary policy meeting.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.